algo más que el placer. Si me amaste alguna vez, yeah. O si fuiste mi mujer.
Now this video has been requested for the longest time, so here I am finally sitting down showing you guys my tanning routine. Now I love a good tan. When I'm tanned, I do just feel like a little bit more glam and I feel a lot more toned, which probably makes no sense at all. But my fake tanning girls will know that when you're a little bit darker, you do feel like a lot more toned and just like slimmer. It is really flattering on your body. So I like to be quite tanned. I have a fortnightly tanning routine, so I don't tan every single week. I kind of just tan in time for my weekend without Mason. So I'm nice and dark for if I want to go out for like a few cocktails with the girls or something like that. So this is the tan that I use. I've literally used it for over 6 years. Before I get into the video, I just want to quickly make it clear that I reached out to Loving Tan because I've worn their products for so long. I thought if I'm going to do a video anyway sharing products that I already love, I thought I may as well hit them up and see if they'd like to collaborate in some way. So I sent them an email. They said yeah. They sent me all kind of like the terms and conditions and stuff. And yeah, so I just want to make it clear that they did send me the products that I'm showing you guys for free. Normally I do purchase them. I've been using them for 6 years or so, like I said anyway. I just wanted to be honest with you guys about how I received these products. I honestly love the tan and I wouldn't share anything on my channel and talk about it being so amazing if it really wasn't, because I'd feel a bit silly if you went out and bought something and I actually hated it and it was crap. So know that everything you see on my channel, I actually truly love. All right, so the night before I'm going to tan, I use my exfoliating gloves. So generally when I use the exfoliating glove, my last tan has been on for a week and a half. So I jump in the bath, kind of soak in there. The tan is definitely fully ready to come off after a week and a half. After I've soaked my skin for long enough, I don't use any soap. I just grab that exfoliating mitt and I start exfoliating in circular motions. And like you guys can see in the video, it just removes it instantly. It's honestly a lifesaver. Removing tan can be really frustrating, but it's really important to leave the tan on for longer than it needs to be, because that's when it comes off a lot easier. I also shave the night before. So I don't want to be shaving the day of my tan, because then if I tan when I've just shaved, the tan kind of like sits in the pores or like where you've shaved and it leaves little dots of like extra tan on your legs and it's not pretty. So I always exfoliate and shave the night before. So the day of my tan, sometimes I'll have a shower, do a little bit more exfoliating in the morning if I need to. If I don't, basically I grab a moisturizer and I'm gonna moisturize my hands, my elbows, my knees and my feet, just to make sure that the tan doesn't soak in too much into those areas. Now I do like to let that moisturizer sit in for a little bit, because if you put the tan straight over it, then it probably won't grab onto that spot at all. So you want to probably moisturize at least 30 minutes before, just to give that time to like soak into your skin. And then I grab my ultra dark tan on the tanning mitt and I begin applying. The thing that I love most about this tan is that it dries super quickly. So once you've applied it, you can literally be dry within 10 minutes and put your clothes on and go about your day. I then leave it on for a minimum of 6 hours. So on a Thursday about midday, that's when I would apply my tan. I wash it off before bed. When I'm washing it off, I don't use any soaps or anything like that. Sometimes only under my arms, because I do find the tan can sometimes give me a not so nice odor under my arms. So I do use a little bit of soap under there, but I don't use soap on my body. I get out and kind of just pat my body dry. I don't apply any moisturizer after my first shower because the tan is still developing. So I literally just get out, dry my body, dress. So once I've taken off that first tan and I've had my shower, generally I want to be a little bit darker. So I'll apply another load of tan and I sleep in it and then I wash it off in the morning. Now this time when I apply the second layer, I don't apply it to my feet or my hands. I just kind of apply it to like my legs, arms, tummy and chest. And I do apply a little bit less than I applied the first time, because I don't want to be too over dark, and it does look a lot more natural doing it that way. So then I would sleep in the tan, wash it off in the morning, and then I would moisturize after that shower. Now I also sometimes use a little brush to apply the tan over my hands, my feet, and I did apply a little bit of tan to my face this time. Now when it comes time to tanning my back, if you don't have somebody to help you, they do have this little invention here. In the video, I did use it for the first time ever because I've never had one of these before. It did seem like it was really, really easy, but after using it, I looked at my back and it was really patchy. I don't know if I did it wrong, so I'm gonna try that again. I'll give this another go and see what happens. But generally, before I had this product, what I was basically doing was sticking my paddle brush inside here and then using that on my back, and honestly worked so fine. So I don't tan my face every single time I tan. What I basically did is I caked my face in moisturizer first, and then I just used the excess tan that was left on the tanning mitt and I kind of just rubbed that over my face. I do find that tanning can make my skin not so clear on my face, so I don't do a very big amount of it because it does make me look like I don't have very good skin when generally I've actually got really good skin on my face and I'm very, very lucky. Another product that I love to use from Loving Tan is this bronze shimmer. Now I have actually put it on today, and if you guys can see, I'm a little bit glowy. It's super pretty. So I would use this on a night out. I would kind of just put it on the parts of my skin that are showing, and it does dry really well. However, I probably still wouldn't recommend it if you're going to be wearing white, because if you get sweaty, you're out having a dance, sometimes it will transfer onto your white clothes. So just keep that in mind if you're going to be putting this on. But honestly, it's so pretty, super shimmery. Now I do only recommend putting this on when your tan is fresh, or if you have no tan on at all. I did apply this when my tan was kind of coming off, and it didn't look very nice. So it's not really good to apply then. You want to apply it when your tan's fresh, or if you don't have any tan on, just to kind of get you by until you do your next fake tan. Now they did send me this one in the little package they sent me as well, and I'm going to be honest, I haven't actually tried this. So what I'm going to do is another time I'm going to try it, and then I'll just update in the description box down below what I think of it. But generally I love all the Loving Tan products, so I'm sure that I will love it. But yeah, I just haven't used it yet, so I will let you guys know in the description box when I've tried it out what I actually think of it. So to make your tan last longer, you want to moisturize morning and night, drink a lot of water. Keeping really hydrated does help your tan last longer. I also avoid swimming in chlorine and salt water because that also fades your tan a lot quicker. Honestly, I absolutely love fake tan. I've never tried a fake tan that I've loved more, and no other fake tan brand has lasted me as long as the Loving Tan does. I do have a discount code which I'll include on the screen and in the description box down below. So that's pretty much my tanning routine. I hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video. If you did, like always, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video.